Hello guys, this is boy Adam. I'm back again with another new tutorial. Today we're gonna look at how to create a bootable USB on your pen drive. Okay, alright, so please let's get started. Okay, first of all, you insert your pen drive on your computer, right? Then you go to Google, Chrome, or any browser, then you download or ISO, then you install it on your laptop. Okay, so first of all, when you set your pen drive, then you go to this PC, right? So when you go to this PC, you need to format your pen drive. Okay, so you right click on your pen drive, then you go to format. Okay, you go to format. Yeah, it's done. So so whenever you install your ISO, you see on the desktop your ISO, then you right click it, then you run it as administrator. Okay, mine is unregistered, so you said your power ISO is unregistered copy, so you need to wait for a second, then click continue unregistered. Okay, first of all, you gotta go to tools here, you click on it and this navigation bar will appear, then you search on create bootable USB drive. Okay, so you go to create bootable USB drive, you click on it. Here first one, it says select source file or compact disc. Okay, so here you gonna select the image, the operating system image, I mean the software that you download, the operating system image setup. Okay, so you click on this folder, then you navigate where you store the operating system that you download. Okay, mine is on drive D, then you go to mine is on drive D, you go to private, you go to, okay, these are all kind of Windows operating system that I have. Okay, yeah, I want to do Windows 8 bootable, Windows 8.1 Pro. Okay, I want to do it bootable. You select it, then click on open. Okay, yeah, you check whether the drive, maybe you haven't connect any external hard drive, so you need to check whether it's your drive. My drive is it is okay, it's 8 gig, that is it. Then you click on start, right? It will ask you all the USB drive will be what overwriting, do you want to continue, then click OK. So it will read to 100%, then it will tell you that writing of USB drive is successfully done. Okay, so when it says that, you can use it to install any operating system on your laptop or your personal computer. Okay guys, thank you for your support. I will play it on your behalf to support this channel. Please comment, subscribe and share this video for me. Okay, thank you for your support. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.